What if you could take your entire mansion, shrink it down, and put it on 18 wheels? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we aren't just looking at a vehicle. We're looking at a revolution in road travel. This is the 2026 Scania Mega Deck 888, a double-decker powerhouse that has officially claimed the title of the world's most insane home on wheels. The first thing you'll notice about the Mega Deck is its sheer commanding presence. This isn't just a bus. It looks like a futuristic luxury yacht designed for the pavement. The exterior features ultra-clean, flush-mounted body panels and a towering double-deck profile that dwarfs everything else on the highway. Up front, Scania has integrated a massive LED matrix lighting system that wraps around a bold, aggressive grille. The panoramic glass windows are dark-tinted for privacy, creating a seamless blackout look against the premium metallic finish. It's built on a heavy-duty 8x8 chassis, meaning those triple axles aren't just for show. They provide the stability needed to carry this much luxury at high speeds. Step through the automated side doors, and the outside world completely disappears. The interior of the 2026 Mega Deck is a masterpiece of Swedish design and high-end architecture. On the lower deck, you have a sprawling lounge area with hand-stitched Nappa leather sofas and a modular kitchen that would put most city apartments to shame, complete with an induction cooktop and a hidden wine cellar. But the real magic happens when you take the spiral staircase to the second floor. Up here, don't let the velvet and leather fool you. Under the hood, this beast is all business. The Mega Deck is powered by Scania's legendary 16.4-liter V8 engine, producing a staggering 770 horsepower and over 3,700 Newton-meters of torque. To make this massive structure feel nimble, Scania paired it with a 12-speed automated OptiCruise transmission and a specialized 8x8 drivetrain. This means that while it looks like a penthouse, now let's talk numbers. Engineering this level of insanity isn't cheap. The 2026 Scania Mega Deck starts at a cool $1.8 million. But once you start adding the bespoke interior options and the off-grid solar package, you can easily see that price tag climb north of $2.5 million. It's a steep price, but for the billionaires and luxury travelers it's aimed at, it's essentially a mobile private jet for the highway. When you're driving a two-story mansion, safety is the top priority. The 2026 model comes standard with Scania's Titan Safety Suite. This includes a 360-degree bird's-eye camera system to eliminate every blind spot, active side collision avoidance, and an advanced electronic stability control system specifically tuned for the high center of gravity of a double-decker. In summary, the 2026 Scania Mega Deck 8x8 is the ultimate expression of freedom without compromise. It blends industrial-grade power with the kind of luxury usually reserved for super yachts, making it the most impressive double-decker ever built. It's fast, it's beautiful, and it's undeniably insane. If you could take this machine anywhere in the world, where would your first stop be? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more looks at the world's most extreme vehicles.